Alright, our next little video. Knipex 2616-200 8-inch needle nose. Nice tool. I'm being honest in the video. I was cheap before. I didn't always see much use for like a lineman's pliers or this. Now that I got them and I really found the company I want to use for these tools, I'm very ecstatic. I'm very happy with them. I'm going to put a link below into a video I made about 3 years ago with 3 of these tools I had for 3 years prior and several others I added. One of them I recently lost, I had to replace. I'll give the description in the video. I'm also going to give a description in the video why I brought this. It's basically this old dog learning new tricks. Okay? Really hoping you guys enjoy the video, you like it. Hopefully I give you the proper information. And I still do have a question for you guys. What's the proper pronunciation? Is it Knipex or is it Knipex? Because I kept my first video, I believe I was calling it Knipex. And I believe I've seen a couple of videos, other people maybe from Europe, and they call it Knipex. So if you let me know, I would appreciate it, okay? Adjust that focus point there. There we go. So if you let me know, I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Okay. My favorite place to buy tools, if I'm going to buy tools that I want to last for life, hand tools, is by far KC Tools. One of my favorite tool companies, besides Klein, Channel Lock, Irwin, is definitely Knipex or Knipex. Please correct me if I said that wrong. I know when I put up my first video I kept saying Knipex, but I hear people say Knipex. I'm guessing that's the European proper way to say it, and here in the States some of us might just say Knipex. So I'm okay with being corrected, right? Thank you. Already started to open the box. Are the tools worth it? Do they last that long? Are they that endurance? Can they save your life? Yes, they can. A little booklet here from KC Tools. Different stuff that you guys might enjoy. I can't tell you who's the best tool manufacturer. I can only tell you the ones that I've been using that have been working great for me. What I like about them, what I don't necessarily like about them, okay? Nothing else in the box but paper. And that'll be it. Okay. This says part number 2616200, made in Germany. Knipex quality. The reason I'm purchasing this is because I'm an old dog, and yes, I can learn new tricks. I got a guy who's been working with me for over a year, and he takes off the wire connectors off capacitors and the contactor using a needle nose. He has a small one, like a 6-inch or something. I wanted something a little bit bigger, and I wanted something to protect me from that capacitor in case I forget to discharge it, and I wanted something to help me discharge it at the same time so I don't forget. So this is the tool I bought. Pretty expensive, about 50 bucks for an 8-inch needle nose. That is not cheap. That's one of the things people say, well, I don't like that part. In my first video I discussed about hardness being from 58 to like 63, tool hardness and stuff like that. Oh yeah, nice length, which is what I wanted, so I can get in there and discharge the capacitor. It says 1000 volts here, and that would be AC. It would be 1500 volts DC. Oh, what's happened to my alarm? Must be security. Okay. It feels a lot like my other Knipex tools. You can see a little space there. We do have teeth there because I didn't see that. I was hoping that was there. Like the part, excuse me, that is pretty pointy. So you can get in tight areas. So far, and it fits my hand, as you guys can see. Fits my hand. No issues. American large hands. About 9 and change, almost 9.5. People say, well, you're approaching extra large. So I'm just fat. Put it that way. I'm not even that tall. Barely 5'6". Okay. Excellent quality as usual. Little cutters there, and I can't see through them, so it's nice. Very, very nice. I know I'm going to be very happy with this, using it. And there's two tools that I really never had in my tool collection a lot. Would be lineman's pliers and needles like this. I guess I was just lazy, pretty much using what I normally use and cheap, saying I don't want to spend the money. But now that I'm spending the money and I finally found a tool company I really like, their product for what they do for me, and I'm very happy. This could save my life, this tool. Okay, I discussed getting my life saved by a technique I use with resetting breakers or working on electrical, not grounding myself out. Pretty much putting one hand in my pocket and using the other hand to reset a breaker, stuff like that. And very recently, that breaker that I was trying to reset, the casing melted on it and it shorted out to 2 wires, and it popped like a gun, like a good 32 caliber or something like that. I go to the range, so I know what it's like to, 9mm, whatever, 45, 380 Odo, my summer carry. Like the lightweight 380. I only use 1911 style hangers. I only have 2 basically for home protection and summer carry. I'm not trying to hurt anybody or kill anybody, just defend myself if need be. But I do like those 2. Not much else to say about it right now. The length is excellent, the grip is excellent, the protection, voltage protection is excellent. There's a lot that can be done here. I can even wrap the tips with plastic similar to the screwdriver if I feel the need to, to help out a little bit. But I'm not going to need it with these style grips, the money I pay for, and the voltage protection I'm getting. As long as I'm not working on anything with a crazy load. If you're working on something that's not pulling a load, you're pretty much fine even with something like this. Okay? Pulling amperage, that's a problem there. For those of us that might say, well, you know what, Vic, I'm not sure how much experience you got. 6 years, those 3. Had 2 of these, lost 1, had to go buy another one. This is the lineman's pliers that I said if it looks like a pair of lineman's pliers, quacks like a pair of lineman's pliers, it is a pair of lineman's pliers. As you can see, it's been getting used. Now that I got it, I definitely, before I put the wire nuts, I twist them nice, professional style, put the wire nut on, I get a professional connection. So, and there's also an 8-inch, I believe, or 10-inch. It's an 8-inch, but it acts like a 10-inch because the design and the grip on it. So I really, really like this one here. I know I'm gonna like this. This one I wasn't quite fancy to it because it has a little bit of play in it. Well, right now it does not want to tighten it up. But I could have used this in place of this one here. But I wanted this just for specifically, for the taper there. But what I want to use it for HVAC. This is a electrical installation tool. Now this one cost me a pretty penny, and it's a little bit more difficult to use than this one. I'm so used to using these, I could have easily got away with another one of these. But I wanted to try this in case I'm in some weird electrical condition. I can't shut off the power and I have to do something. But I'll be careful. If it's pulling a load, I won't do this. I'll call an electrician if it gets to that. Oh, another German screwdriver. Who is this? Weha. It's supposed to be oil resistant here. Full tang, cap on top. Some people say, why you got a cap on there? The old school screwdrivers here were built in the US with wood and they had full tang caps. Basically, if you have a screw that's stuck, you might be able to tap it to break the seal to get it to turn. That's basically what it is. And you got a piece here to put a pair of pliers, channel lock or something, crescent wrench, so you can actually get more torque. Excuse me. On the screwdriver tightening, okay? Not sure what else to say for the video. These tools can definitely save your life. They'll probably last you lifelong. I don't see me wearing these out. I've had 3 of these for 6 years. The other ones, Got 3 years ago, and this one is new, the one we're discussing today. So I'm very, very happy with the tools. Are they expensive? Yeah, that's the one thing I don't like. This one I didn't have a lot of uses for, but I'm glad I got it, and I'm gonna keep it. It's not going nowhere. Not giving it away, not selling it, none of that. I'm keeping it. Because in case I can't find this when somebody borrows this, because they don't work like I do, I still have a backup, so it's nice. Any questions you guys ask, and please correct me on saying the name properly, whether it's the US or Europe, okay, or even Germany, because I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong. Over there might be my next video. Nebo Omni 2K. It has a couple of weaknesses, but it does its job, but has, I would say, 2 weaknesses. Hopefully that's my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.